buy gift card with Apple ID balance. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to buy gift card with your Apple ID balance. So first of all, just open your device, and after that just go to your app store, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top right. And here first of all you have to check the balance that you have in your Apple ID. So just click on the profile icon and your Apple ID from the top, and it will open the account settings in your device. And in order to check your Apple ID balance, you need to click on add funds to Apple ID. And if you have funds in your Apple ID, you will be able to see it right here. As you can see that I don't have any funds in my Apple ID balance, and if you have funds in your account, it will show right here. So if you don't have funds in your account, you just simply have to click on add funds to Apple ID, and after that just simply select the amount that you want to add, and the amount will be added in your Apple ID balance. And after that just recharge your Apple ID account and just add the funds in your Apple ID. And once you're done adding the funds in your Apple ID, after that just open your preferred browser and the kind of gift card that you want to purchase. For this particular tutorial, I'm gonna be buying the Xbox digital gift card. So I'm in the official website of Microsoft where I will make this purchase happen. And after that just simply put this gift card into your cart after obviously logging into your account, and simply just click on checkout. You can select the amount of card that you want to purchase, 1, 2, or according to yourself, and just log into your account. And after that, when you're in the checkout page, you have to add your payment method. As you can see, you have credit and debit card option. And as I showed you earlier that I don't have any Apple ID balance in my Apple account, that is why it is not showing the Apple ID balance to use in this particular purchase. But if you have your Apple ID balance, it will automatically redirect you to pay through your Apple ID balance, and you will see the payment method for your Apple ID as well. You just have to simply select on it and complete your payment, and the amount will be deducted from your Apple ID balance automatically. And this way you will be able to buy gift card with Apple ID balance. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.